Hi, I'm Ian Grieve and this is a short video on SalesHQ, one of the GP Elementz portals from ISC software. When managing customer accounts, individual logons can be created for users instead of one for the overall customer. To do this, we can either use a setup window through administration, or we can come into Sales, under Cards and Customer Maintenance, selecting the customer in question. We can then hit Additional Manage Customer Accounts. And this will show us the customer and all of the individuals at this customer who currently have access to SalesHQ. To add an additional user, we can click the Add button on the action pane and enter the details on here. Enter a password, and the password has to be a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and at least one special character. We can then choose whether this user is able to receive statements or enter orders. Tick the box accordingly and then hit the OK button, and they'll be added to the list. In future, we can come back into this window, select a user, and hit the username hyperlink there, which will reopen that window, and we can change the name, last name, whether it receives statements or enter orders. We can also disable a user if they no longer need to log in. Alternatively, we can select a user on the list and hit the delete button to delete that user account entirely. We can also do a password reset there by hitting the padlock icon. Users can, however, reset their own passwords on the portal as well. They can request a password change via email. So that's an overview for you on how to maintain customer accounts for SalesHQ. Thanks for watching.